Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Jamaican cabbage. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, 1 small onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. Begin by washing and chopping your cabbage into roughly 1-inch pieces. Then, dice the onion and bell pepper and mince the garlic. These initial steps are crucial for a flavorful and authentic dish, setting the stage for a truly delicious meal. Next, we'll build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or pot over medium heat. Once hot, add the diced onion, bell pepper, and minced garlic. Sauté these wonderful aromatics for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become softened and fragrant. This step releases their sweet and savory notes, which are essential for that distinctive Jamaican taste. Now it's time for the star of our dish, the cabbage. Add your chopped cabbage to the skillet with the softened aromatics. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and for a little kick, a pinch of Scotch bonnet pepper if you like. Stir everything together thoroughly. Cover the pot and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the cabbage is tender crisp, not mushy. To finish, stir in 1 tablespoon of butter for a lovely richness and a beautiful shine. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. Your delicious Jamaican cabbage is now ready. Serve it hot as a fantastic side dish alongside your favorite main course, like jerk chicken or escovitch fish. Enjoy this simple yet incredibly flavorful Caribbean staple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.